Hello and welcome to my rock paper scissors program. So to start off, I've got a Java comment here in my what I would call my main class, kind of like a traffic cop directing everything. Whereas the more detailed things happen in these classes. So to start off, I create a player object, and let's switch over to the player class here. And so in here I've got the option pane, and I start out with a choice integer, and that's created when this constructor is put into play. And then I ask the user how many rounds they would like to play of rock paper scissors, and I'm gonna parse that into an integer and return that as a value called rounds. And then I'm gonna later in the program I'm going to use the get choice method, so they can choose between either rock, paper, or scissors. Rock being 1, paper being 2, scissors being 3. And then I return their choice. So let's go over to computer player. The computer player has the same thing, same constructor pretty much, but this part is a little bit different because obviously there's no user input for a computer generated rock, paper, or scissors. It's random, so I just used a random object called rand, and then had the variable choice get a random integer 1 through 3, and then I return that as choice. So if we go over here, I created both objects, player and computer, and then I found out how many rounds they want to play from the get rounds method in the player class, or the human player class with the player object, and then I created a loop for the amount of rounds with round count, and then I have the player choice with get choice method, and the computer choice with that get choice method, and the computer I put as a player 2 object. So then I have the rules, I guess you would say, right here. If in any case the values are the same between the player choice and the computer choice, that would mean they chose the same, either rock or rock, scissors, scissors, paper, paper, and that would be a tie. But besides that, I have the rules here for rock beating scissors, scissors beating paper, and paper beating rock, and losing and winning, and all of that right here. And I did that with a lot of if statements and ands put inside of it. So let's start the program here. Okay, come on. How many rounds do you want to play? Let's do 4 rounds. Okay. So I choose rock. Computer chose scissors. You win. Sweet. Now I'm gonna choose paper. Okay. Oh, they chose the same thing. I'll choose paper again. Oh, it's another tie. Choose paper again. It's a tie again. Wow. What are the chances? We're gonna run it again just to make sure that's not an error or anything. Okay. I want to play 4 rounds. I choose paper. Computer choose scissors. You lose. Dang it. Choose paper again. The computer chose rock. I won. Okay. Let me choose scissors. It was a tie. Scissors again. It was a tie again. Okay. Thank you.